Hello guys, welcome to Caan Tech Foundation. My name is Catherine, and in today's video we are going to learn how to apply for KUCCPS, Kenya Universities and Colleges Central Placement Service. So if you are looking to join the university as a government sponsored student, this is the chance for you. To get started, go to your search engine and search for KUCCPS, then click on KUCCPS homepage, or you can just click on student login. The KUCCPS student login page is going to open. This is how it looks like. So you enter your KCSE Index Number. For the KCSE year, it's the year you did your KCSE. As for the password, the best one is your KCPE Index Number, but if that is not available, you can use your birth certificate number. Once you're done entering those details, click on Login. The portal is going to open and it's going to have the details of the students, like their name, the school they were in, their KCSE index number. So KUCCPS also tells you the current ongoing applications. Currently, the Kenya Utalii College is ongoing. So KUCCPS currently partnered with Kenya Utalii College for hospitality students. So if you're interested, you can apply for Kenya Utalii College hospitality courses via KUCCPS, and the deadline is April 1st. So for this one, it's still open. There is a menu at the top, dashboard, institutions or programs. So it depends on the course you want to do or the institutions you want to go to. So you might maybe prefer a certain institution, but you're not sure about the course, or you are sure about the course, but not sure which institution to go to. So you can search by institutions, or you can search by programs, depending on what you're interested in. So once you search, a list is going to appear. It shows you the institution type, the program code for that course in that institution, the name of the program, and the cluster points. So if you are interested in that specific course in that specific campus or university, you click on add in the basket column. So this is going to add your interests. So you're just gathering your interests and adding them into one basket, and then you'll go and choose the ones that you want to apply for your best chosen. So once you're done gathering all your interests into the basket, you go click at the basket. It's going to tell you whether you have met the requirements for that course. Okay, so for some it will be you have not met the requirements, and for some it will be you have met the minimum requirements. So you are most likely to apply for those you have met requirements for, and you can list them in the order of interest. Maybe you want a university in Nairobi, Kisumu, Eldoret. Maybe for Eldoret as number 1, Kisumu number 2, Nairobi number 3. So what you do, you take that code. For example, in this picture, the diploma in pharmacy in Mombasa campus, the code is 4975K12. So that is the only code you need to list down. Okay, list from number 1A, B, C, number 2, number 3, based on your number 1 choice in the course and in the institution it is in. Now, once you're done listing all your choices from number 1 to number 3, come click on application/revision for you to make your application. Read the application instructions to know what is required of you. Usually it's just your preferred courses, the codes, and 1500 Kenyan shillings. So once you are done reading the instructions, click on apply now. So depending on the grade that you got, you have either qualified for certificate, diploma, or degree. So it's going to appear there once you click on apply now. For this specific one, we have a diploma and a certificate. So if I was interested in the certificate courses, I would have listed the codes in the certificate courses column. But if I'm interested in the diploma courses, then I list the codes for the diploma courses in the diploma column. So like we said, I enter the code for the diploma in pharmacy in Mombasa campus, okay, KMTC. So once I enter the code, the system is going to auto-populate the details of that code, that is the name of the course and where it is located, which campus, and whether you have met the requirements for that course in that institution. So once you are done listing all your courses and institutions like you want, click on submit to submit your application. Now, KUCCPS is going to ask you whether you want to be placed in another course in case you are not placed in the one that you have chosen. So if you're interested, you say yes. If you are not, you say no, and then you click on submit. Now, payment details are going to appear. All payments are made via eCitizen. So it's going to show the name of the student of that KUCCPS account, student portal, and the application amount is Kenyan shillings 1500. So there are so many options you can pay with, but for this one, we are going to use M-Pesa. So once you click on M-Pesa, enter the phone number you're going to make the payment with. The phone number doesn't necessarily have to be in that student portal account, so you can pay with any phone number that does M-Pesa. So once you enter the phone number there, click on initiate payment. A prompt is going to appear into the phone of that number, and then you can enter the M-Pesa pin and okay, once you receive M-Pesa processing message back, successful, you can come back to the portal and click on I have paid. So once you do that, the system wants proof that you have actually made the payment. So the best is to enter the eCitizen account number for that particular payment, okay? So don't enter the M-Pesa transaction number, okay? You enter the eCitizen account number for that student. So once you're done entering it, click on submit. So once you click on submit, a new field is going to appear at the dashboard called active applications. Yeah, so you're going to see all the choices that you made, the code, the name, and in which institution. And once placements are made, you'll be notified and they will appear under the current placement section. So that is how you apply for KUCCPS, Kenya University Placement Services. Thank you so much for watching this video. My name has been Catherine. Today we learned how to apply for KUCCPS. Until next time, bye bye.